Tanishka Chavan, Junior Architect at Spaces. Welcome to another episode of Unraveling Designs with Spaces. Today I'm going to be talking about the commercial workspace design of the boutique office. I will be focusing on the spatial planning on the card. The plan is segregated based on the activity flow. One of the features that reflect in the planning is the conscious decision to integrate open transitional spaces. The plan has different structures for different users. The reception and the conference areas are planned to maximize public and private accessibility. The office area with the cubicles as well as the workstations have the largest footprint. The common entry access point for this structure is designed closest to the parking. The secondary access points are designed at the back of the structure, secluded from the front facade, having a closer proximity to the cafeteria. The placement of these access points ensures minimum interruption and disturbance to the reception and the conference areas. The managing director and the director's cabin are designed in the west corner of the premises. The cabins have a visual connectivity with the rest of the structures while simultaneously having more private access points. The cafeteria and the restrooms are centrally located between the structures that house the cabins and the workstations. Due to the diagonal positioning of the structures, the public spaces such as the reception and the conference area do not get a direct visual access of the lounge area. The cafeteria is designed as a semi-open space that is not bound by any enclosure on three sides. This creates a fresh and a calming atmosphere for the employees to relax. Thank you for watching. Do like, share and subscribe for more such informative videos.